As a few people know, I no longer sell on Redbubble. However, for the last couple of weeks, I've been dipping in and out of the site just to kind of see ideas, see what people are doing, and to see if Redbubble in of itself has gotten any better. However, I was completely and utterly shocked to see that there was a new pricing structure, and it confirmed all of my doubts originally after seeing this new pricing structure. At $16.57, it was already quite expensive for a basic t-shirt, and for the customer, they're paying $16.57 for the base price. They're then paying your markup, and then they're also paying the shipping. So for the customer, they're gonna probably end up paying around $25 for a t-shirt. Now, personally, I think that's crazy, but I guess a lot of people are happy to spend $25 for a super cool, maybe limited print t-shirt. Some people are happy to pay that. I just think it's very, very expensive based on the quality of the t-shirt material. That the designs are worth a lot. That is where the money is, because the designs are, some of them are handmade, some of them are just absolutely incredible. But when you're talking about the quality of the actual t-shirt, it is very much not a $25 t-shirt. However, it looks like the price has increased. And that's what this video is for. I want to tell you what this price has increased to and what it increased from. And I want to give you an alternative where you can earn 3 times the amount of money by doing the exact same thing. Whilst having a casual browse on the website, I noticed everything seemed to be priced slightly higher. So I went into the back end of my test account and saw that a classic t-shirt had gone up to $17.66, which I guess isn't the biggest deal, but it is. It really is. It might just be a small $1 increase, but this increase is happening so often to the point where we're now at $17.66 for a base price t-shirt. This is daylight robbery. This just isn't okay, and if we want to make just $5, we need to sell the shirt at a 34% markup at $23.66. That for us will be $5 in profit, but for the customer, they'll be paying a minimum of $27 when you factor in shipping as well. Now, I know the regular argument here is Redbubble has a huge organic marketplace. They send tons of traffic to you. It's really easy to list on Redbubble, and the whole user experience and the seller experience is quite user friendly. See, now if you're going down that route, doesn't it make just as much sense, if not more sense, to list your product on Etsy, where, they have 5 times the amount of traffic. It's a much bigger site. It's much more trusted. And it's also fairly simple to upload a product onto Etsy. You just have to use the Printful integration. It's really straightforward when you think about it. So if you're gonna go down that argument route, surely Etsy makes more sense. I actually have a video coming out really soon comparing the different print-on-demand companies, ones that get organic traffic, ones that don't get organic traffic. And I'm hoping it's gonna be really eye-opening, and you'll be able to decide which platform you want to go for, if you want to go for both. And as well as that, I also have another video coming out, which is going to be an amazing video. I've got all the t-shirts here. I think I hit something. No, I didn't. I've got all the t-shirts here, and I'm going to be comparing all the different t-shirt and print qualities from tons of different print-on-demand companies. Those 2 videos are coming out really soon. I'm just waiting for the last 2 t-shirts to be sent in the post. So how can you increase your profit by 3 times? Well, if you upload your products onto Etsy and you use Printful as the integration partner, this is what you can make. If priced at $23.66, just like Redbubble, your profit would be $15.65. That's more than 3 times that of Redbubble. And it seems absolutely crazy, but it's right here on the screen. So how can we implement this really quickly and really easily? Well, step 1, you have to create an Etsy account. And by the way, I've got a link in the description that gets you 40 free Etsy listings. I don't know if I get anything, maybe I also get 40 free, I don't know. But either way, you get 40 free listings, so that's quite cool. Step 2, you've then got to connect Printful, right? Printful is going to be the printing company. And then step 3, you have to add a product to Printful and push it to Etsy. Now, I know this 1, 2, 3 step wasn't very step by step. I didn't really show you much, but don't worry, I have an entire video on this that I've already brought out, and you can see it up here, or it will be at the end of this video, or it will be the link in the description. One of those three places. You can go and watch that full Etsy tutorial that will show you how to set up an Etsy account, how to connect to Printful, and how to add products, because it just makes more sense. After the 40 free listings, it's still only about 20 cents, which really isn't a lot of money if you think about it. It's really not per product. And as well as that, if you want to sign up for Printful, that link is also in the description. To me, it seems like an absolute no-brainer. Yes, there's a bit more work. You have to upload to another platform. And yes, it's a bit more work than just a normal print-on-demand platform, but the profit is it's 3 times the profit of Redbubble. It's so much more money. And if you really wanted to, you could sell the t-shirt for a lot less money, for $5 less or $10 less. You're still making $5, except your customer is now getting a much cheaper t-shirt. So you're gonna have a much happier customer, hopefully. There's just so many benefits to it. If you found this helpful at all, please don't forget to smash that like button. And of course, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. As I said, I've got tons of new videos coming out, especially one where I'm going to be comparing all the different t-shirts, which I think will be really, really important and helpful to you, so you can kind of see which company is actually producing the best quality prints, because a lot of the t-shirts are the same make, right? The same branding, but the prints are different qualities on so many of them. Now, just going back, there are other benefits to Etsy. For example, it's a much bigger platform. They have more traffic. It's more trusted. People like it more. You can see individual reviews from individual sellers. There are obviously some negatives with Etsy as well, but I think as a whole, it is definitely a more popular, more well-known platform. So my question to you is, what will you do?